In the previous lecture, we have discussed introduction of PTM, generation of PWM, PWM detector, introduction of PPM. I will discuss introduction of PPM. Pulse position modulation. PPM is analog modulating scheme in which the amplitude and width of the pulses are kept constant while the position of each pulse with reference to the position of a reference pulse vary according to the instantaneous sampled value of the massive signal. The transmitter has to send synchronizing pulses or simply synchronized pulse. To keep the transmitter and receiver in synchronism, these synchronized pulses help maintain the position of the pulses. PPM is done in accordance with the PWM signal. PWM signal is used as a trigger input to a monostable multivibrator. Its output remains 0 until it is triggered on the trailing edge of PWM. Output of monostable multivibrator switch the positive situation value A and remain high for fixed period. Hence the position of these pulse is proportional to the width of the PWM pulse. In the system, the amplitude and width of the pulses are kept constant while the position of each pulse with reference to the position of reference pulse is changed according to the instantaneous sampled value of the modulating signal. Thus, the transmitter has to send synchronizing pulse to keep the transmitter and receiver in synchronizing. Advantage: as the amplitude and width are constant, the power handled is constant. Disadvantage: synchronization between transmitter and receiver is unnecessary. This is the waveform of the PWM signal and PPM signal. Amplitude versus time. The PDM, pulse duration modulation, is differentiated and then rectified and shaped. PPM carry exactly the same information as long as the position of the clock pulse is well defined in the received signal. PPM is superior to PDM for massive transmission. Since the wide pulse of PDM require more energy than PPM when transmitted. PPM is suited for communication in the presence of noise. Very high peak narrow pulse can be transmitted and the pulse position can be determined even when the noise level is high. However, transmitting very narrow pulse requires large bandwidth. When light is used as the media for transmitting analog signal, PPM or PCM are the most suitable type of modulation because the maximum power output in the modulated light source such as LED or laser is achieved when it is pulsed at a very low duty cycle. In PPM, necessary to transmit a series of synchronized pulse at much lower repetition rate than the sampling pulse to avoid interference with original signal and or minimize the number of pulse transmitted in order to conserve transmission power. These are the PCM waveform, half wave and synchronized waveform. Next, PPM generator. PPM generator. This is the block diagram of PPM generator. The modulating signal is applied to the positive terminal of comparator. Sharp-hook generator is connected to the negative terminal of comparator. After output of the comparator, that is PWM. PWM is applied to the monostable multivibrator and output of the monostable multivibrator, that is PPM output. This is the generation of the PPM generator. Next, these are the waveform of the PPM waveforms. Impulse, UT and U PPM. These are the pulse position modulation. In variation of position. In this waveform, first analog signal and second variation in the position. Next, transmission bandwidth of PWM and PPM. Both PWM and PPM have DC value. Both need a sharp rise time and fall time to preserve the massive information. Rise time by very less than TS, that is TR is less than TS. transmission bandwidth Bt is greater than equal to 1 upon 2Tr. Bandwidth higher than PAM. Next, PAM, PWM and PPM. The amplitude of the pulse is proportional to the amplitude of modulating the signal. Bandwidth of transmitting channel depends on the width of the pulse. Instantaneous power of transmitter varies. Noise, interference is high. Complex systems is similar to AM. PWM. Width of pulse is proportional to the amplitude of modulating signal. The bandwidth of transmitting channel depends on of the pulse. Instantaneous power of transmitter vary. Noise, interference is minimum. Simple to implement, similar to FM. PPM. Relative position of pulse is proportional to amplitude of modulating signal. The bandwidth of the transmitting channel depends on the rise time of the pulse. Instantaneous power remains constant. Noise interference is minimum. Simple to implement, similar to pulse modulation. Difference between PAM, PWM and PPM. These are the following parameters. Differentiate PAM, PWM and PPM. First, type of carrier. In the case of PAM, train of pulse, PWM, train of pulse and PPM also train of pulse. Variable characteristics, PAM amplitude, PWM width, PPM position. Bandwidth requirement, PAM low, PWM high and PPM high. Noise immunity, low, high and high. Information contained in amplitude variation, width variation and position variation. Power efficiency, in case of PAM, low, moderate and high. Transmitted power, vary, remain constant. Need to transmit synchronized pulse, no need. In case of PWM, no need and necessary. In case of PPM, necessary. Bandwidth depends on the width of the pulse, rise time of the pulse and rise time of the pulse. Transmitted power. Instantaneous power vary with the amplitude of the pulse. Instantaneous power vary with the width of the pulse and in case of PPM, constant. Complexity of generation and reduction. Similarly with in case of PAM complex, PWM easy and PPM complex. Similarly with other modulation systems similar to AM, similar to FM and similar to PAM. Next, advantage of PWM. First advantage of PWM, very good noise immunity. It's possible to separate out signal from noise. Low power consumption, high efficient, does not require synchronization between transmitter and receiver. Unlike PAM, noise is less. Signal and noise separation is very easy. PWM communication does not require synchronization between transmitter and receiver. Next, disadvantage of PWM. Large bandwidth is required for the PWM communication as compared to PAM. Complexity of the circuit, radio frequency interference, voltage spikes and electromagnetic noise. These are the disadvantages of the PWM. And application of PWM. Many application of PWM. First, telecommunication. Second, voltage regulation. Third, power delivery. Fourth, amplification. And PWM used as a ADC, analog to digital converter. These are the application of PWM. Next, advantage of PPM. First, only single advantage of PPM, high noise immunity. Disadvantage of PPM, generation and reduction is very complex. So, thank you.